Okay.
So you'll watch they'll slowly go down as the bees move out of the way.
Oh, okay. Is that what's happening? Okay.
Yeah.
How interesting.
Yeah. Do you hear what Renata's saying?
What?
Lid on. Lid on. She wants the lid on.
We all do.
Yeah, we all do.
He's going to put those in and he'll put the lid on.
Mom, it's amazing.
We're busy,
Give me,
right?
give me.
I
a little.
could give it a second box.
Oh, it's that many?
It's that big.
Yeah.
That's
Oh yeah, I see them sliding down. So they would
See how
have.
it's going down
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
slowly?
They would have formed their own honeycomb right there, huh?
No.
Oh.
They were there until they found a cavity,
Oh, okay.
which they might move multiple times before they decide.
Okay.
When they decide to leave, they go and go alight somewhere.
Okay.
They flying at you?
No, there was one that flew by.
They're just lost, probably.
So
Yeah, you
so
gotta
that
get 'em on. As soon as
they
those go
send
down,
out like
he'll put the lid
the
on.
certain ones fly out and look for a cavity while the rest are just
Yeah,
sitting there. Then is
The
that?
scouts, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then once they all decide on one place, they'll move in.
Oh,
But they
okay.
might move many times
Before they settle on one.
before they find their home. There's a lot of bees in there.
I don't know if they're going to
See, he has to wait for the lid to fall.
Does that mean they will swarm again, or what?
No, they'll just need a second box right away, and I'm trying to decide what to do.
You want me to get another box
They're
for you?
still going down slowly as they.
Oh, because you're afraid it won't even build a shot on them because there's so many in there.
Yeah, there's.
He's going to put the lid on.
I will, but
Love you too, sweetie.
see all these bees fanning?
Uh huh.
They're trying to let the other wasp bees know that's where the hive is.
Oh, okay.
They are like, okay, here we are.
So that's a good sign.
I'm tempted just to put them all over there. I think they'll stay.
If I see him in the tree, I'll call you.
Well, it's just. Doesn't really matter.
I'm doing a special
I could
dance.
call them away. The lost bees that are flying around here, they'll eventually probably just go back into one of those hives.
Oh, okay.
Just find a new home.
There's a bee on
Tempting
you.
to haul them away. See, it's still going down.
Yeah, I see
Yeah.
that. That's amazing.
So you kind of just take your time.
Right.
It has to get flat before you can
Yeah.
otherwise he'll come.
Right. They're underneath. There's so many of them, but they're kind of getting out from underneath.
Right.
Continue to drop.
Oh yeah, look, it's almost flush.
What should I do? So I wish someone just tell me what to do.
Put them
most
over
of the
here,
time.
Jay.